Good morning and welcome to number 8. I'll get into the reading straight away. Then, having filled the tip of the moordha, which is the forehead, then having filled the tip of the forehead and crossed the bridge between the eyebrows, the mind rises above all dichotomizing thought patterns and omnipresence prevails. So we'll break that down. The forehead clearly means, and the bridge between the eyebrows, so that's right in the middle there. Dichotomizing is thought patterns that are different. So it rises above that and it sees it as one, and omnipresence prevails. So you are present everywhere. Omnipresence means being present everywhere. You will have a feeling of being nowhere, yet feeling the entire planet, other people, things within it. It just depends where you direct that feeling. So we'll give it a try. We're going back to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then number 7. Then we're going to use that same ball to fill our forehead and cross the bridge and let it sit there. That should let all thoughts disappear. You can pause the video now. Thank you for trying this. Welcome back. We'll go through what you should be feeling, what kind of feelings you had, and we'll put this together and we'll see how and why they form like this. We'll go to some results. So some of the results that I had was I had images in my mind, but rather just the image, I had the feeling of the place as well. And it was very vivid. So if I saw mountains, I could almost feel that I was there. The mountains looked real. Another thing that I felt, being very solutions orientated, like I knew everything. If there was an issue, if a thought came to my mind, if there was an issue, I could solve it. Another thing that I had was I was very clear and focused. I did not have any emotional output to some of the thoughts that were still in my head. They were slowly dissipated and I did have to push them away a bit. I used a little pushing, a little concentration, a little focus, a little attention to them. The entire process took about 30 minutes, so it does take some time, even though I've paused it for 5 seconds. Getting there was not as easy as it seems to part number 6, and I would say even up to number 7. Number 8 seems to be more of a challenge as we let go of our thoughts, let go of any of our issues, problems. Some of them we can directly meet them on. Some of them we can give them some thought. Now, I use the focus method, which is where my ball is. I keep it in my forehead and I use my pen to draw circles. Those circles help me focus on what I'm trying to achieve, and it pushes away thoughts that are in my mind. And what you will find is that what you are doing right now is more important than anything else. Where you are, when you are, and how you are. That becomes your importance as a being more than anything else. And your focus is much more inwards than before. So these are the lasting results. They will dissipate slowly if we do not try and attempt it again. I'm getting a lot of feeling of heaviness in myself, my body, while I'm speaking. But not a heaviness that I feel uncomfortable. It's very nice. It's almost I can feel the air around me, even though it is still, but it feels like there's something there. There's more there than the air. If the air was removed, what am I feeling? There's something there. That is what I feel. And that's a very, very interesting feeling. See if you can do that. Just maybe bring your hands together like a box and feel if there's any pressure as you gently push your hands together. You might feel pressure. So you're in an omnipresence feeling. it means you can feel and do anything. That is the emotion and feeling I am feeling right now. Please let me know if you feel something different. It's very interesting to hear. So feel yourself, stay in this moment, spend another 30 minutes, 1 hour, as long as you want actually. There's no time limit. Time is not present at the moment. So with the how and why, at the moment, I am feeling I can feel my body, especially my forehead where I've focused on the third eye. It seems to be a constant vibration. I feel very centered, very focused, almost selfish. Like I cannot think of anything else, like I don't want to think of anything else. And the how and why, we are so focused now on ourselves, we realize that any other problems that there are on this planet, they're just a group of problems. They're not even a problem. They're separate from us. They don't exist. In this moment, in any moment in time, they don't exist for us. So it's a liberating feeling. It's a feeling of, let's say, greatness, powerful. But the power and the greatness seem to diminish into a feeling of, I just can do something. That's all. It's not because I want the power or I need the power. I just need to do something. I want to do something. So additional information, if I were to go on, it would be that you will come in and out and in and out, and you will miss the step, miss it many times. You might even think you've got it. But go back, keep pushing, because you want to be in the moment as long as possible. So if you get one split second moment, try another one, try another. And what you want to look for is the complete emotional state that you are feeling at this time. And that is how you recall these states faster and quicker and instantly, actually. So you can immediately go into these states rather than going through the whole process again and again. Remember these states that you are. Remember how you feel, the emotions that you feel, and what your body is feeling. You'll find the focus being your mind and your heart. They seem to want to collaborate more and more. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great day. Bye-bye.